In this video, I'm going to show you how I draw this pie chart, pie plot. It is called exploded edge. These two edges are exploded edge. So it give you good information about the value and data, and also give you your skills there. You can draw very good graphs. You can also explode this one and this one and this one. But these are contributed very less, so I just exploded them outside. So let's see in how I did this. I will show. So this plot will be here. I just go to here window. I just want tile vertically here. So this will be here, and I will draw here this one again. So let me make to another row here. For example, in the front of you, I will draw here this graph. I just make two plot. Make this x, and this is already y. Just copy this from here. I do not want to disturb that one. Paste it here and just copy this value here and paste it here. Okay, now let's go and make this window tile vertically. Okay, so now this is my new value here, and let's me draw this. Select these two. This U is the country is in x-axis direction, and this is in y-axis. Go to here, this 3D plot, and you can also go there and draw from their plots, but you can also draw. You can also go from here, 3D plot here. Okay. So now it is in the front of you here. Now you can see the changes. So these two will are here. One is the 0.6 is basically the USA, and this is 0.8 is basically the China or whatever. So let's see. Let's double click on this one and go to basically pie geometry here. When you go to pie geometry here, so in this place you will see exploded here. Okay, so anyone you wish to explode, for example, now explode here the green one here and apply here. You see, yes, it's explode here. And another is this black one, the USA one. So just click this one and apply. So USA will also explode here. You see here, and if you see that it's not look like very well, just rotate it here through some angle, so it will be much clearer to you. Yeah, it's will be much clear to you now. Here you see. So this is how you basically explode the edges under the pie geometry. Anyone you want to if you wish to explode this Japan. So you see here, this is very tremendously. It works very well. Now let's go to a pattern and a little bit modify this. Increase this line here. And now I want to have a pattern on this one. For example, any pattern you like, this pattern here. You see here, very nice pattern. And the width you can increase here. And here, if you wish gradient to be two colors, so you can also put here gradients. And if you wish to increment, so start increment from here. So you see a very nice graph here you achieve here. So this is how you see almost look like same now. Now it's up to you that how you play with this graphs. And if you play more, for example, you can also make these bold from here. If you wish to bold these, so you can make them bold. And I do not want to waste the time, but the rest of the things you can do with this. And this is now how you can explode basically this stuff here. If you want to explode something more, for example, if you want to explode the India here, so you can also explode that one. You see here, you just separate this fully here. And if you want to explode this one also, Japan or UK, so anyone you can explode here. You see here, Korea separately. So you can give in chunks. But what I understand that the previous one was a little bit very well, and it's look very good. That if you have such kind of stuff, so it look amazing. And a little bit decent. Okay, now you can also increase you try to use the increment from some other place, you see, so then you can change the colors very nicely. You need to work with this, so it will looks very amazingly. You see here, you need to play with these parameters, and you can also decrease the transparency here from here, and you can make very nice graphs, you see here. So you can have a very good diagram and pie charts in your paper or in your thesis. So this was just for exploded these edges here. How to explode? Go to pie geometry and explode anything you wish. Thanks for watching.